बारिश थोड़ा ज़्यादा sorry. I am Saishwavi Thakkar. As you know by my channel's name, I've kept it the same. Let me just brief you about myself. I'm Saishwavi Thakkar. I'm sorry. Yeah, so that's me. I'm a student studying engineering. But most importantly, I want to talk about my passion, that is bullet journaling, and that is the main reason why I've started this whole thing. So let me just brief you about myself, or let me just brief you about what bullet journaling I'm talking about, and mostly people of you don't know what basically a bullet journal is. So bullet journal is basically a type of a planner, a journal which you make for yourself and which is completely personalized. You can make it the way, whichever way you want. So it has got some weekly spreads, mood trackers, habit trackers, some logs, some good facts to feel good about yourself. Basically a thing which after the month, if you see through, you'll find your whole month in there, in bits of writings, in bits of drawings if you do. So yeah, that is basically what a bullet journal is. So I always wanted to do that, but it went up and down, and I know I've started bullet journaling this month only, and I know it's not a very great time to start a bullet journal, because generally people start it at the starting of the year and continue it to the end. But I was like, let's just try it, better late than never. So yeah, that is what I'm trying to do. So let's cut it short and let me take you to my bullet journaling. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do press that bell icon so that you get notified every time when I post a new video. And also don't forget to change that like button to blue, and also do share with your journalist friends if you do that sort of thing, groups. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
So before starting, let me just show you all the things I've used. This is a Micron pen of 03 number. Then I have used Camlin brush pen of color red, yellow and black. I'm also using green one in here. Then I have used Faber-Castell pens with the shades Dark Sepia, Raw Umber and Captain Mortal. And for the very first page, I've decided to keep it simple because I had no idea what to do for the first page. So yeah, I've decided to keep it simple. So here is a type of a doodle I saw online, in which this frog is standing with a leaf above his head, which is protecting it from the rain, and the quote says self-care isn't selfish, which I found really good. So decided to do it for the very first page of the starting of my and for the very first page here, I have decided to keep, sorry for that glitch, actually my camera got stopped there, but this is how my first page looks, and I didn't wanted that blank space above it, so I've decided to cover with the paper of the same shade. You can also do the same if there are places in your journal you don't want people to see. So this is pretty much how my first page of focus looks. Then for the next page also I've decided to cut out a piece of paper of the same size but different links. For writing monthly over there, I've just simply wrote monthly on a white paper and cut it out with the edges. I love the round edges, so I've decided to go for round edges calendar. So this is how my monthly page looks, and for the habit tracker also I've decided to go for the simple writing. I've wrote habit tracker in simple letters, and here I'm making the box for the month. I just simply wrote out some habits which I would like to follow for the whole month. So for the next page, I've decided to do a fasting log. I'm doing an intermittent fasting kind of a thing in which 16 hours of the day you have to keep fast. Like, you can't eat anything in the 16 hours of the day, but you can eat anything you want in remaining 8 hours. So I'm doing that, and it has to be proper 16 hours, but because I have college, so I have to fix my lunch timings, so it gets up and down sometimes. So I've just decided to go for a log for it. So this is how my fasting log page looks, and for the next page I have decided to do a mood tracker. So for this I have just tried doing the jumbled strips type of a thing with my mood tracker. Then I just wrote out the number, like for the days of the month. And for the stripes, like which remained without dates, I just decided to color them black. And then I just simply wrote out mood tracker above. So I was thinking to go for a monthly playlist, but then I'm kind of a person who has a different song every day in my mind. Like, I'll just hear one song and that my song would stay for the whole day in my mind and I'll just sing it. So I've decided to write all the songs that comes into my mind every day. So do tell me know if you are a playlist kind of a person or a daily song kind of a person. So for the next page, I've decided to write down all the new movies and web series I watch in a month. So for that, I have tried to make a string of the films sort of a thing here. So here I wanted to do leave every one gap in between, but then I made a blunder and had to do it continuously. But tell me in the comment. So for this I just wrote out movies on top of it, and this is pretty much how my movies page looks like. So for the very first weekly, I decided to just write out the calendar in between, and I'm going to make those leaves. So here you can see I've made the blunder, so I had to fix it with the lines. I actually didn't want to do lines in between, but I made a blunder as usual, so I did it. And then I just wrote out August in there and drawn the leaves which I've drawn in my whole journal. And then I created a column for the notes, for the general notes of the week I would like to remember. And for this side, for to write every day and all, I've just cut out half of the page because that's how I wanted to. I wanted to see through my calendar from whatever date I'm looking. So I just cut down the half of it. So I just decided to make boxes for each day. As you see, I made a blunder here also. First date is on Saturday and I wrote out Sunday, so I've just cut a piece of it which I'll stick up on Sunday and will write Saturday later on. So again I decided to go for a quote and a little doodle where I just wrote out the enjoy the ride of life. have decided to make another column in which I'll write all the money I have spent in this week so that I have a note of it. So this is how my book looks, and when I was flipping it through I thought that I should color this. So see, this is the best thing about bullet journals. You can have yellow frogs in it, like, you know, it's up to you what you want. It's totally depend on yourself. So this is pretty much how my final bullet journal of this month looks like.
Hope you all liked it. Do tell me in the comment section below if you need any changes, or give me some ideas what should I do next for the journaling thing, or any random stuff if you want to tell me. So yeah, comment down below, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and also subscribe to my